Okay, this one is for P4 week 26 exam paper review. So I just want to write here P4 week 26, 2024. Okay, so I'm going to go through. Hmm. So I'm going to start with the first question. Okay, this one will, okay, sorry, before that, it's Henry Park Primary School 2023 weighted assessment 2. Okay, so that's the paper that you need to have. Okay, section A. So it says here, ABCD is a rectangle as shown. Okay, find angle BCA. Where's BCA? Is this one. I need to find this. So how? Very simple. You can see that BC and CD are perpendicular, which means this is a 90-degree angle. So if this is 52, what is this? So you just take 90 degree minus 52 degree. Okay, your answer is 38 degrees. Just write 38 here because the degree is given here. Right? That's your answer. Right? And question 2, there are two figures shown below. Put a tick if the figure is symmetric and a cross if the figure is not symmetric. Symmetric means what? It means that if you cut it into half, okay, it will have the same shapes for both sides. So definitely is this one. This will be symmetric because if you were to cut like that, you can see both sides are equal. And even if you cut like this, like if you don't want to cut this, you want to cut this way, also can. They are also symmetric. Can you see? Okay, understand, right? Okay, but this one cannot because this one don't definitely not. Oh, it's not symmetric at all. Even you cut half, it's not even symmetric. Look at the side here and here, they are not the same. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, question 3. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending means from big to small. So if you look at the decimal places given here, right? This is actually 2 decimal place. This is 1. This is 3. This is 3. So for me, I will actually convert them to 3 decimal places to compare. So this will become 2.040. This is 4.200 because you just put a 0 at the back to make it to the 3 decimal places. So biggest to the smallest, definitely the first one is 4.2. Followed by, oh sorry, it's not 4.2. My mistake. Scratch that. So it's the biggest is actually 4.2. Sorry, my mistake. 4.204. Then followed by 4.2. Then after that, this one done. So you look at this other two. Which one is greater? This is 2.040. This is 2.402. So it will go to 2.402. Then it will go to 2.04. This is your answer. Okay, sorry about the mistake just now. I overlooked something. Okay, question 4. Divide 82.23 by 3. So this one you do your long division. Okay, so 8 divided by 3 is 2 minus 6. 2, this is a 2. 22 divided by 3 is 7. Minus 21, 1. Bring down the 2. Decimal point, don't forget. Now we have 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. Minus 12, 0. Bring down the 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Minus 3, 0. So your answer is 27.41. Okay, don't be careless when you do your corrections for this. Or you do a calculation for this. Okay, question 5. Oh, it's going to draw again. Alamak. Okay, ayo. Try to draw properly lah. So the square grid shows the side AB of a square ABCD. Complete the square ABCD by drawing 3 more lines in the grid. Label the square. Must label, So you see that this is the what do you call it? The line AB, yeah. So in terms, right, make sure that it's equal, like sides are equal because it's a square. So it's like 1, 2, 3 squares. So you have to draw 1, 2, 3 squares. So this is the other point. I try to draw nicely lah because I'm using a Wacom and trying. Okay. Okay, not bad. Okay. Then after that, this one also go up by 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So it'll be here. So you draw nicely up. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Use a try to use a ruler. Please use a ruler because I'm using freehand. I'm trying my best. So you join to this point after that, okay? So you draw down. This is your square should look something like that. Okay. So AB is C D. Okay. Next one. Shape three more squares to complete the figure with PQ as line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry. So which 3 squares must you shape? So you know that definitely you can see this one missing. So it's this one. Then this one also missing, right? And can you see this is 1, 2, 3 squares? This one also, this one missing. So these are the 3 squares that you shape to get the correct figure. So if you don't know, if I color it, can you see? Okay, you can see it like better, right? I mean, like if I color like that, right? So you get the same, huh? The same, like the 2 sides are the same. Okay, question 6. Express 0.85 as a fraction in the simplest form. So 0.85 is 85 hundredths. Expressed as a fraction is 85 over 100. So you need to divide. You need to simplify means you need to divide. So you know that these two numbers can only be divided by 5. 17 over 20 is your answer. 17 over 20. Cannot simplify anymore. Huh? Question B, express 7 over 25 as a decimal. So when you want to express as a decimal, your denominator should either be a 10, 100, or 1,000. In this case, 25, you only can change to 100 by multiplying by 4. So remember, numerator also times 4, 28 over 100. So this is 28 hundredths, which means in decimal is 0.28. 0.28. Okay. Question 7. The mass of a laptop is 1.32 kg. The mass of a tablet is 0.28 kg less than the laptop. What is the mass of the tablet? So very simple, it's less, you just subtract, which is minus 0.28 from 1.32. So 1.32 minus 0.28. So do your working or minus 0.28. So remember your decimal point must align on top of one another. Cannot like anyhow shift. So this one, 2 minus 8 cannot borrow. This will become 2. This is 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Decimal point, very important. Then 1. 1.04. So your answer is actually 1.04 kg. The kg is given. So you just write down 1.04. Okay. Okay. Question 8. Oh, alamak, drawing again. Complete the symmetric figure in line AB as the line of symmetry, with line AB as line of symmetry. So this line. So I need to draw the other one. So when you draw, you start from 1 point, from the line of symmetry, this one. So I'm going to draw like this way, right? Because when you count the other points here, so it's like 1, 2, 3 lines of away from the symmetric line. 1, 2, 3. So this is the one. So I'm going to draw. Use a ruler, base children, if you are going to draw like that, something like that lah. Then this one, 2 lines down, so 2 lines down is here. So like that. Then 1 line towards the symmetric line. So 1 notch up. And then from here you have to join to this. So no more, you just join straight away. You should do something like that. Sorry, this is not straight. You do something like that. Okay, that's your answer. Question B. Is XY a line of symmetry for the following figure? So you can just write a yes or a no as the answer. So is this a line of symmetry? No, definitely. See, these 2 sides are not equal. So you write no here. This one, don't be tricked. It is not symmetric at all. Because if you fold into half, the two shapes are not equal. So no as well. Okay. Question 9. Mr. Lim bought a shirt which cost $23.80 and a pair of pants which cost $49.70. He gave the cashier $100. How much change did he receive? So what we do is, this is very simple. We just find out how much did he spend, okay, by adding up how much of course, how much he spent on things. So 23.80, right? Plus 49.70. So 73.50 is how much he spent, and he's going to give the cashier 100. So you find the change means the difference he gets back. So you just take 100 minus away 73.50. So you minus, please, dollars and cents is involved. So write 100.00 minus 73.50. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0. Cannot minus, right? So you cannot borrow from zeros as well. So 0, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Decimal point, please. Okay, 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 0 is 0. So your answer is $26.50. That's the change you got back. So remember to fill in your answer, 26.50. Okay. Question number 10. Okay, got A and B. So the total mass of a box and a book is 2.55 kg. When some files are added into the box, the total mass becomes 3.1 kg. The book is 4 times as heavy as the files. A, what is the mass of the files? And B, what is the mass of the box when it is empty? You give your answer in kilogram. Okay, so very simple. Okay, what you do is we are going to find out the mass of the files first. So we know one box and one book is 2.55, right? So I write down one box plus one book, 2.55. And you know that one books, when some files are added into this group here, right? So that means one box plus one book plus, I don't know how many files. Some files, right? Some, I don't know how many. It becomes 3.1. So that means what is the mass of the files? You just minus to find out, okay? So you just take the files, I just write F, 3.1 minus 2.55. You will get 0.55 kg. Okay, so this is your answer for A. So remember to fill in 0.55 kg. Okay, and B, they are asking me to find out what is the mass of the box when it is empty. So if you read a question, you know that the book is 4 times as heavy as the files. Book 4 times as heavy as the files. So book and file. Book is 4 times. So book 4 units. File is just 1. And we know that the files is more than 1. Okay. So this is actually 0.55. So we can find out. Now we know 1 unit is 0.55. Look for the books, which is 4 units. 0.55 times 4 will give me 2.2. So you know that the book is 2.2. So I'm going to use a different color. This is 2.2 kg. So how do I find the box? You just take 2.55 minus away 2.2. Your answer is 0.35. Okay? 0.35 kg, sorry. You must write the answer down. Okay? Question 11. A jar contains twice as much orange juice as a bottle. 3 such bottles and 2 such jars can contain 196.21 liters of orange juice in total. A, how much orange juice can one such bottle contain? And B, how much orange juice does two jars contain? So we are going to draw this stacking model. And it says a jar twice as much as a juice orange as a bottle. So let me use another color. Okay. So you got three bottle, right? Bottle, bottle, bottle. Two jars. And it says that jar twice as much as orange juice. So jar will be two units represented. Bottle just one. So we're going to stack it. Every bottle is just one, and the other jar is two. Total can hold 196.21 liter. So we know over here how many units altogether, which is actually, we do A first, 7 units. 196.21. So for 1 unit, 196.21 divide by 7, which is 28.03. This is orange juice for one bottle. So one bottle is just 28.03. So we fill up 28.03 liter. Okay. Now B, I want to find two jars. So you see one jar is 2 units, right? So 2 jars will give me 4 units. So if 1 unit is 28.03, 4 units will be 28.03 times 4. Your answer is 112.12 liter. That's your answer. So you just fill up 112.12 liter. Okay. Question 12. Okay, give me a while. Okay, Tommy and Kitty have some rice. The total mass of the rice is 789.4 kg. When City gives Tom 36.8 kg of rice, they will have the same mass of rice each. What was the mass of rice Tommy had at first? So we know that they have some rice, but we cannot determine how much do each of them have. What we do know is total is 789.4. So T plus S, which is the total, okay, is 789.4 kg. So after that, right, you can see that City is going to give Tommy. So City is mentioned second, right? So I just write City. City gives, so City minus how many? 36.8. And Tommy receives, so Tommy will plus 36.8. So as you can see, this 1 plus 1 minus means this is internal transfer. And after that, what happens? Tommy and Kitty have same mass. Same mass means I draw same model to indicate they have the same value, same quantity. So as I said, internal transfer means the total remains unchanged, which means that this is still 789.4. So it's unchanged total. If you don't know, I write down unchanged. This is unchanged total because there's internal transfer, 1 plus 1 minus. So you can see 2 units is actually 789.4. Look for 1 unit, 789.4 divided by 2 will give me 394.7. Okay, 394.7. So this is 394.7. So they are asking you how much rice did Tommy have at first, which is you need to work backwards. Tommy now got this after taking 36.8. So at first means you work backwards, your symbol must change. So it's 394.7 minus 36.8. Your answer is 357.9 kg. So Tommy has 357.9 kg. Must write the unit down, okay? Oh, we're done. This is the last question.